Hello everyone, Shraddha here. So today I am going to share some of the strategies and tactics with the help of which you can increase your followers for social media accounts. As like there are some of the ways that if you are focusing on, then you can do well on various social media accounts. If I talk about my account, so I have like around I think 25 to 26,000 followers on LinkedIn, and also I have good followers on Instagram. So and also I have I have around 5,000 connections on Facebook with around 4 to 5,000 followers on Facebook. So yeah, and if I talk about Quora also, so again I have good followers on Quora too. So what are some of the ways that you can take care of, and if you are doing if you are following these ways, so you can gain good number of followers. So let's start with it. So first is optimize your account. Optimization your account is like you are using proper photo of yours in your profile photo, and besides you are also adding something about detail, like something about your introduction. So if I am looking at your ID, so I can get to know about you, I can get a rough idea about you, what you do and where you live, something like this. Like if I talk about my ID, so I have written like software engineer and like MBA, and like whatever you are doing or what whoever you are, your profession is, so you can use that tag like software engineer and like MBA graduate or digital marketer specialist, digital marketing specialist, something like this. So yeah, like doctor, lawyer, etc. So optimization of your profile is the first step that you can do to make or to gain a lot of followers or to get some attention from audience. Second is strategy to put content. It's not like you are putting whatever you want, like today you are posting something, then after 1 month you are posting something. There should be like, if you are posting today something, your photo, then first thing is there should be some consistency, and also whatever photo you are using, use some proper hashtags and use some caption in your photo, because people firstly I will be looking at your photo, then I will be reading your caption. If I'm not liking your photo, then maybe your caption is good enough that you can get my like. So it's like that, so you have to maintain that too. And when you are using some hashtags, so it should be like, if you are clicking your picture, so it should be like life, love, beautiful, gratitude, something like this which relates to that photo. It's not like you are clicking then your picture and you are using profession, doctor, lawyer, something. So there it should not be like, they should not clash each other. There should be some link between your photo and whatever hashtags you are using. So next is use Hootsuite. Like if you are someone who is working, and yeah, like you don't get enough time to post your photos and all, then use Hootsuite. You need not to pay a lot of money, or you need not to pay any money for Hootsuite. If you are using free version of it, then also you can schedule your post, and you can use Hootsuite, and you can schedule a post on weekly basis, alternate basis, or say by weekly basis. So it's like you can get some kind of consistency in your account. There should not like you have just a few photo, because when like if some people, I'm getting some followers and I'm not at all uploading anything, I'm not at all posting any content, then maybe I may lose some followers. So everyone wants some stuff from you, they are there to see your content, they are there to see your activities. So yeah, you should do this too. And next is avoid fake Instagram followers. For the sake to touch 10,000 or like 11,000, 12,000, 15,000, 20,000, you need not to pay any amount for fake followers. Like if you have 500 or 1,000 followers, so you are buying all 10,000 to 8,000 fake followers, so they are not at all going to give any kind of engagement in your post, because they are fake followers. There may be chatbots, there may be some paid persons, and why will they like your photo? As they are getting money for liking someone's photo, then why will they like your photo for free? So they will not do it. So it's okay to have 500 600 followers than to have 20k or 30k for fake followers. So you should have that thing. Like you should have a great amount of your real followers in your account. So if people are there, then you can easily get like 400 or 500 likes in your content. And if it is there, then it's good for your profile, and it will be like somehow flaunting of your profile to other person. So next is showcase your Instagram profile everywhere. First thing is, if you keep your profile private, then it's okay, as I keep my profile private. And if you keep your profile public, then there are a lot of things that you can do. So you can share your profile in many places like Instagram, LinkedIn, and wherever you are working or something like this. So you can share your profile where whatever possible platforms are there. So that, and you can also ask your friends or your colleagues to follow you, and you can also follow them back. So doing this, you can get a good number of followers and you can get attention from them. And if someone is good and you are writing some code or something like this, you have shared one reel, so you can ask your friends to share their reel in their profile. Next is post content that your followers want. It's not like you are posting your photo, your photo, your photo. There should be not like this. You should post your photo, that's okay, because this is your profile and you have some good pictures, so you will be showing off, or you will be sharing these pictures from with others. But you should share some content, maybe in stories or in post, which can give some kind of knowledge to people. Like there may be some kind of awareness. Say if there is some tragedy or incident happen in India or in other country, then you can share it in your story, so that people can get to know about that like incident from your story. So there would be a good impact, like yes, this person shares good information, so I won't unfollow this person. So it's a kind of tactics that normal digital marketers or the person who has good number of followers, they used to do. So next is conversation. Now when it comes to conversation, I won't say that you have to reply for all 1000 or 2000 messages that you are receiving on a daily basis. But I would say that you can run a poll in your Instagram account. Say which is guess which is my favorite color, black or red. So you can do something. There are a lot of options on Instagram that you can use and you can do. And then you can also share one photo saying that which country is this, say India, or some other country, say Australia. So you can run such kind of polls. And then you can also create some story, you can post some small video on your story, and doing this like question answer kind of session, that ask me one question or ask me a question kind of thing that you can do. And doing this, you can like engage with your audience. So it's a good way to do your audience retention. They won't they won't leave your account, they won't unfollow you. So it's one of the great way to do and to do well on Instagram. And if your profile is public and if your question is interesting enough, so people outside from your account, they will also reply for it. And if you are replying it, if you are communicating a bit, so maybe they will start following. Next is hashtags. Yeah, now if I talk about hashtags, so say if you are sharing one photo of yours, you have visited one place, so you are using like place, city, or life, love, beautiful, these kind of hashtags you are using, and your profile is public. So whatever hashtags you are using, your photo will be like in those list of these hashtags. Say if there is a live hashtag, so your photo will be under that hashtag live content. So you can check it too. So just use lot number of hashtags. Nowadays what people do, these are some of the basic strategies or say tactics that people used to do, but I would tell you some additional ways that I personally use. And these are some of the great ways, especially when you are running or when you are working for a company and they want you to get a lot of followers for your account or for company's account. So I would share some good strategies or tactics that you can use. So after that, yeah, make reels if your account is public. So if I talk about reels, talking about reels, so it's like reels are something very trendy. So whenever we open Instagram, we just see reels. Lot of reels are there, lot of people are there getting trend, or like they are trending on everywhere and all everything. So some people who even who has less number of followers, so they are also there in trending list. So yes, what you can do for this, just make one reel, one trendy reel which is already there in trend. So make that reel and use one song, or if there is already song in that reel, so when you will be posting it, don't use like IGTV video, because it would be short, as I am talking about reel. So you can put it as reel, and then your reel will be listing in that that song, whatever song you have used. So a lot of people will be able to see your reel, and they will be liking it, they will be communicating with you, and maybe they will start follow you. So these are some of the ways that you can use to get good number of follower and to showcase your profile in a great manner. Now I would share some extra ways that you can use to increase your followers. So if I talk about company's profile, I would share some additional ways that you can use, that I use on a daily basis or say alternate basis. So what you can do, when you are using any hashtag, or as you know hashtag, so you can go in your search engine bar on Instagram, and then you can write say hashtag live, or you can write live, and then there would be one hashtag like various options like account, then place, then people, then hashtag. So you have to click on that hashtag, and when this list will open, so there would be a lot of posts which will be posted recently, like 1 second ago, 2 second ago, 30 second ago. So what you can do on a daily basis, you can like about 50 to 100 posts. So there are a lot of chances when you are liking 50 to 100 posts, maybe I think 4 to 5 will be looking at your profile. Not 4 to 5, maybe 30 to 40 will be looking at your profile, and 5 to 10 will start following you, and maybe they will start interacting with you, they will be sending a message. So you can start a conversation, because you have to engage that audience. At the very beginning you can make some small conversation, and then later on it depends on you. If you want to communicate with that person, then okay, then, and if you don't want to communicate with that person, then it's okay, just leave it. So yeah, this is one of the most, like if I talk, so most important and say most simple way where you need not to do anything, you just spend your time on Instagram and do this. We on a daily basis we used to spend a lot of time on Instagram or LinkedIn or Facebook. So now we all are here on social media to get a lot of attention from people. So for that matter, what you can do, you should use some, or you should do something which can help your profile to your profile which is a weak profile, so it will help you to make a stronger profile than what you have or what you owe. So yes, just wanted to share this thing. So yeah, this is also a part of digital marketing. When you will be working for a company and you are a, say you are a digital marketing person, so it's also part of your job, that you have to maintain the number of followers, you have to maintain the post engagement, you have to make the post, you have to do a lot of things, you have to make the strategy. If it is not working, then you have to make some changes on it. So I will be sharing this too in my next video, or maybe after some video. So yeah, that's it for today. So we'll be coming soon, maybe by tomorrow. So yeah, if you like this video and if you like my content, just subscribe for my channel, like, comment, share, and ask whatever doubts you have. And if you want me to come up with some new topic, and if with some topic that you want me to share, so yeah, just let me know. And thank you so much. We'll be meeting soon. Bye.